7 Aliso, pretty intense stains on the driveway, definitely needs to be power washed. So this home is going to require some work. Of course, cleanup and touching up areas out front, massive cleanup in the backyard. So the house is torn down to subflooring throughout. And I think it's because of strong odors, which I believe to be cat odors, and water damage. Looks like there's vinyl here that they were sanding down. There was some, it looks to me like there was tile on top of vinyl and they're trying to sand it down for whatever reason. So I would say everything needs to be replaced, and I'd say that's a pretty safe guess. It's the garage. These two doors both go to the backyard. This is stucco, so this is an addition. We're now on the outside of the house, which is why we have a built-in, of course, there's a broken window there, and those are not exactly windows. They're panes, and there was an addition AC unit added. So this is the subflooring, and there is still a strong smell. Interestingly, what I'm seeing of the paint, it's actually not bad up here. It's a purpley, no, I'm sorry, it's a bluish gray, I'd say. So some serious damage there. No toilet. I think this paint is new. I think they were trying to remodel it, which is why they ripped up all the flooring. Also probably to find out how bad the smell was. Whew, it's a little strong in this room. Oh. Interestingly, it looks like most of the stains are in the closets. As if the animals were kept in there. Okay, that's the house.